to my channel. So here we're gonna be I'm gonna be recording this video basically to review my first Boxycharm box that I received when I signed up on December 31st. And so I just want to go ahead and go over everything I received in the box. Sorry I took so long to do the video, but here it is, and I hope you enjoy. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below any suggestions that you might have. You guys, I totally forgot to mention that when I signed up for Boxycharm on December 31st, they had like a special promotion that if you signed up and you put in a special code, I don't remember what code I put in, but if you signed up for Boxycharm that month, you would receive a Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette, and I have it right here. I totally forgot to bring this up because it came totally separate from the box. Did not come in the box, it came separate. And it says it brings a glamour guide, like a little booklet. Real nice. So kind of like, so you can have an idea of how to apply, what type of colors to mix with. This is good, guys, because a lot of us are not born knowing how to mix, you know, blend in and colors. Ooh, this is nice. I like this palette. So this is the Just Peachy Mattes Too Faced palette, and I really like it. It's nice. I like the colors, and the packaging, you guys, is it's adorable. Super cute. This was completely free. I didn't have to pay for shipping or anything, and it came separate from the box, guys. So always, I'm gonna give you a heads up, always look for any special promotions that they have when you first sign up for Boxycharm, and don't forget to put in the code. All right, guys, so I'm opening up the box. Looking for some scissors. Boxycharm gave us, or gave me, in my first box. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so I see a couple of things in here that look nice, but I have no idea what it is. So let's go ahead and take out the first product. Okay, so for the first product, I have here Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Sensational foaming shower gel, organic rice milk and cherry blossom. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that it is full size, definitely a big bottle. It is 6.7 fluid ounces, and I want to smell it. It smells pretty good. Okay, so excited to try that. Let's see what else. The second product that I see here that I am interested in, I see a Too Faced Melted Matte. Okay, and it is in the color Suck It. Okay, so let's take a look. It is kind of like a dark nude color. Okay, and what can I tell you? I mean, I'm a nude type of, I definitely love mattes, but I'm more on the lighter nudes, but I would like to try this. Okay, the other, that is number 2. Now for the number 3 item in the box, I have the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner waterproof liquid liner. I'm sorry, liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner or tattoo liner. So I have it right here. And I'm anxious to try because this is my second Kat Von D product that I have. And I would love to try it out. Okay guys, so that was number 3. Now for number 4, the 4th product in my first Boxycharm box that I received. I have the Fresh Soy Face Cleaner. Okay, and it says it's for all types of skin, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes, 150 ml, guys. It's 5 fluid ounces. It is a big, full size, okay? And like I said, if you've seen my videos before, you're gonna know that I have never had a full-size makeup subscription box, and I'm excited about this because I'm getting full-size products, but at the same time I'm like, wait a minute, it's not fully guaranteed that I'm gonna like all the products in the box. So I want to try them, but at the same time I don't, because I'm interested in skincare, but at the same time, like, there's you know, colors that I'm not interested in. So I want to go ahead and try this soy face cleaner for all skin types. My face is kind of on the drier side. I don't have oily skin, so I kind of struggle with finding a moisturizer for my face. So yeah, that is product number 4, and the last and final product from my first Boxycharm box. I have here the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. It's a really nice packaging. It's kind of like a book. Ooh, okay. So I have here a full-size palette, guys. And you can see here the colors are really nice. I like the colors. So it's kind of like a mixture of dark and nudes, because I got blues, and it kind of has everything. So it's nice. Like I said, I'm very glittery. I love the metallics, I love the glitters, and I love the nudes. I like to do a lot of ombres, and I like the cream color, brown colored nudes. But like I said, I can't, all my palettes cannot be the same color. So yeah guys, this was product number 5 from my first Boxycharm box that I received. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any suggestions, concerns, questions, don't forget to comment down below. Like, subscribe the video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned because I am coming up with the second box that I received, which would be the January box. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.